Scaffolding. Scaffolding. Scaffolding is a temporary structure used in construction, maintenance, and repair work to provide a platform for workers and materials at elevated heights. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Types of scaffolding. There are various types of scaffolding, including supported scaffolds, suspended scaffolds, rolling scaffolds, and more, each designed for specific tasks and conditions. 2. Erection and inspection. Scaffolds must be erected by trained and competent personnel. Regular inspections are essential to identify any defects or hazards that could compromise safety. 3. Stability. Scaffolds must be stable and properly secured. Base plates, leveling jacks, and proper weight distribution help ensure stability. 4. Guardrails and fall protection. Guardrails are necessary on open sides and ends of scaffolds to prevent falls. Workers should also use personal fall protection equipment if required. 5. Platform strength. Scaffold platforms must support their own weight along with the weight of workers and materials without sagging or collapsing. 6. Access. Safe access to scaffolds is essential. Properly designed ladders, stairs, or ramps should be provided for reaching different levels. 7. Training. Workers should be trained in scaffold use, inspection, and safe work practices. This includes understanding weight capacities, proper assembly, and the correct use of fall protection equipment. 8. Weather conditions. Scaffolds should be designed to withstand various weather conditions, such as wind and rain, without compromising safety. 9. Materials. Scaffolding components should be made of sturdy and durable materials. Substandard or damaged parts should not be used. 10. Dismantling. Scaffolds should only be dismantled by qualified personnel, following proper procedures to prevent accidents. Compliance with OSHA regulations and industry standards is crucial when working with scaffolding to ensure the safety of workers and prevent accidents.